Hello everyone. Let's discuss formal letter from General Training IELTS. The letter is: you went to appear for an interview to another city by train. The train departed late from the station and you could not reach in time. Write a letter. Write a letter to the railway officer of your city. Okay. In your letter, when you traveled, these are the bullet points. When you traveled and why the train departed late, what happened as a result, and how you feel about the problem. This is first bullet point, this is second bullet point, and this is third. Now we have to write a letter to the railway officer of your city. In your letter you have to explain when here means explain the when. Here you have to explain the time and day as well as month. Why the train departed late? Because you have to give the reason for this. And what happened as a result? Of course you have to give some reasons for this issue by the train, because train was late, so it happened as a result. How you feel about the problem. Now how you are feeling about the problem, that's why you are writing this letter to the senior officer of the railway department. Let's start it, how we can plan this letter before writing it. Let's go to the notes. Okay, formal letter, task 1, that is from General Training. This letter is a complaint letter. Let's go to the letter. Yes. Okay, now the letter says you went to appear for an interview. Of course you were going for an interview to another city by train. The train departed very late from the station and could not reach in time. Okay, so this is the scenario, this is the situation. While keeping this situation, you have to write the letter. You have to write the letter for this complaint letter. Okay, here write a letter. Of course you have to write a letter to the railway officer. Now by reading this line, you have come to know you are writing a formal letter. Okay, next is there are 3 bullet points. It is given over here, like when you traveled. Of course I can write here last week, last Monday. Yes, last Monday I can write here. And in the last Monday in the same month, February. Okay, 2021. And last Monday when you traveled ho gaya. And what about the date? Of course it should be clearly given, like if I write here 15/0/2021, you can write like this or you can say about this. But when you are writing formal letters, you should write the date also. And why the train departed? Because of railway staff strike. Because of the railway strike. Okay, these keywords you should always write in the question paper, because with the help of these keywords you can expand your bullet points in letter. Second is what happened as a result. What happened? Because here it is given you went to appear for an interview. Of course at the interview place you reached late. So what happened as a result? You must have lost your job. You can write like lost my job. And third bullet point is how you feel about the problem. Of course you had lost an opportunity to get the job in a repetitive company, so I feel very frustrated. A pathetic situation has been created in my life. A pathetic situation has been created in my life. You can write like this. You can plan your essay like this, but you have to you should keep in mind, you should cover all the key points, all these bullet points, otherwise you won't be getting good bands. Let's start our letter. Okay, this is the sample, this is the sample letter. Here I have written, dear sir or madam. Okay, dear sir oblique madam, I am writing this letter. Of course we have to write 4 paragraphs. In the first paragraph we have to explain why I am writing this letter. This is why I am writing this letter. Okay, so you can say like this, I am writing this letter to complain about a serious delay created at local railway station, which has cost me my new job. Which has cost me here means I have lost my new job. Okay, so it was sure my job. Okay, so this is the reason. Here you can also write another thing. I am writing to file a complaint against railway station authorities about a serious delay, because of serious delay created at the railway station, which has cost me my new job. You can mold your sentence according to that, but your tone should be a formal one, your language should be a formal one, not the informal style. Next paragraph, this is for point 1. Okay, last Sunday 5/02/2021, I have written over here date, month and year. It is important to write here. I went to Chandigarh by Shatabdi Express to appear for a final stage interview. Okay, however there was a small dispute between railway staff and the management at the time of departure. Okay, so we are explaining the reason why the train was late. Okay, the staff went on an immediate strike, which was called off only after 2 hours. T is small, 2 hours. Due to this, I was late by 8 hours when I reached my interview location in Tri-City. Instead of writing the city's name again, because this city is also known as Tri-City, so that's why I have written over here Tri-City. Okay, so in the first paragraph I am just explaining the reason, giving the reason for the first bullet point. When you traveled and what happened on that day. When you traveled, this is the answer for when you traveled, and this is the answer here, small dispute between railway staff and management. Due to this strike had happened there, and for this, what had happened for this point, I have written all this explanation. Okay, let's go to the third paragraph, and this is for bullet point 2. Now in this paragraph we are going to explain the bullet point number 2. I was one of the 5 candidates here. Was one of the 5 candidates to be interviewed for the job. As I reached late, I was informed that the other 4 candidates were selected for 4 posts in the company. I tried hard to explain the problem to the senior chairman, but the management's decision was final only. But the management decision was final. This is my mistake. Full final is not is not a formal word. Okay, full and final I was about to write, but I just left this idea. Just I have to write only final. The last paragraph is for explaining third point 3. I feel frustrated. Why I have written feel? Because the question is also in present tense. They are asking you how you feel about that problem. So I have to write the problem in my present tense. I feel frustrated because my career has been ruined. It is really a pathetic situation for me to lose an awesome opportunity in my life. Okay, I feel that all those involved in the delay of that train, now I feel that all those who were involved in the delay of that train, okay, should be penalized so that in future they should understand their responsibility towards passengers. I am sending a copy of this letter. I am sending a copy of this letter to the Railway Ministry and local newspapers. Okay, the last is the closing statement. What we call it? Closing statement. It is important to write it. Closing statement. I hope this letter will awaken the management to serve the community or railway passengers in a better way. In a better, B-E-T-T-E-R. I can't erase this pen, that's why I have written like this. And the closing salutations are yours faithfully, Monica Singroha. Yours faithfully, Monica Singroha. This is the letter for formal style of letter in IELTS General Training. Okay, and thank you for watching. Thanks.